Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix FordPass Not Connecting to car in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to make sure that your car has the network signal. FordPass relies on the vehicle's built-in modem. So if there is no signal, it won't connect. So you can simply try moving your car to an open area and then you can restart the vehicle. After that, you just have to close the FordPass application completely and then reopen it. Or you can also log out and log back in. You can then restart your phone in order to refresh the connection. After that, simply remove your vehicle from the application and you just have to simply add a new vehicle by using the VIN number. Then follow the pairing steps and confirm the ownership inside the car. You need to also make sure that the app has the location and the data permission enabled. Also, you can update your application and your vehicle software if you need it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.